Hey Glam fam, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a really good day today. If you're not, let's hook it up, okay? So today's look is super fun and full of color. I call this look Capri Sun. It is full of all the tropical colors. We got some orange, some greens, some blues with some glitter. We also have a little bit of highlight and a nude lip. So I really hope you ladies like this look, and let's get started. Starting out, our eyebrows and our eyes have already been done before we started recording, so we're just gonna jump into it. This is the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start off with that orange. We're gonna stamp in that orange, and then we're gonna blend out. That way we get the most color with the least amount of effort. The next color for our eyeshadow build is coming from the Shimmer palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going to use that vibrant green there. For this look, we're adding the green to a little bit lower than the orange, and we're using our fingers. That way we don't blend it too much, because it's a cut crease, but without the cut crease, if that makes sense. This is like a blended cut crease. So that's one of the reasons why we're using our finger. We can apply the color with a little bit more precision. After we got our orange all done, we're going to go ahead with that light blue. It's kind of like an aqua blue. Again, we're going in with our fingers, and this time we're going to apply the color to the inside corners of our eyes. Now, it's important that we get a heavily saturated layout for this color. That way we have a clear distinction between the blue and the green, because they're pretty similar in hue. We're also going to take some of that leftover orange from our brush, and we're going to blend it into the green. That way the outside corner is orange, the middle is green, and then the inside corner is blue. As you can see, each time we add color, we lose a little bit of the first one. So it's always important that you reapply your color. That way it stays super strong. So far, I'm pretty okay with the saturation of the colors in this look. So we're just going to move on to our eyeliner. This is the Precision Liner by LA Colors. And we're just going to do our eyeliner the same way we always do. Super thin at first, thicken up, and then we fan out as we do our wing extensions. Now, I went a little bit out of order. I should have done the glitter first before I did my eyeliner, but we're gonna rock with it anyway. This is the glitter palette by Glazed, and we're gonna go ahead with that baby blue, and we're gonna apply that glitter to where our previous blue was. Now, this is gonna make our blue a lot stronger, and I'm okay with this because it looks nice. As you guys can see there, I lost a lot of that green when I applied the glitter. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my finger, and we're just gonna add some more of that green. That way we can blend it out a little bit better. Moving on to our lashes. These are the Christina Wispies. Now, I personally love these lashes because they look really natural. But first, we need to remember to prep our lashes. So we're going in with the Mega Wear Mascara by Wet n Wild. And again, we're just going to go up a few times, and then we're going to go down a few times. That way we have an even base for our lashes. so far this look is coming out really nice. We're just gonna go ahead and move to the face. This is our liquid foundation by LA Girl. Again, this is warm caramel, my skin tone, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend it out. Typically I do a light layer of liquid foundation, and then I go over top of that with the second half, the powder foundation. And this is also by LA Girl, and the color is also warm caramel. This look doesn't require a super flashy lip, so we're gonna go in with a liquid cream nude pink, and then we're gonna go over top of that with the Tony Dash 944 F44 nude pink lipstick. We're gonna try out one of our new products. This is the Away We Glow liquid highlighter by NYX. And we're just gonna apply that to our cheekbones. And the key with this liquid highlighter is that you have to do it while it's still wet. So you have to move really, really fast. Otherwise, you're gonna get like this super hard line, which didn't happen with this one, but the glow wasn't as strong as I wanted it to be. So I went ahead and added a second layer. So far, I'm okay with this highlight. We're gonna go over that with a foundation just to bring it down a little bit. And now our look is complete. Please let me know what you ladies think about this look in the comments. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in the next one.